What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on a really hard question, which is Supra really dead? So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin, what is for example the exact price that I'm actually expecting this coin is gonna hit, and also if you are interested about for example some exact setups that I'm planning to take here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. As you probably know, this coin is currently down from its all-time high around 97% of a net market. And usually, when altcoin is dropping heavily like this, it usually means that it's never going back up again. But as you probably know, there are some exceptions. So in this video, we will take a look if this is currently over. On a daily time frame, we are right now retesting, let's say, price discovery phase, but on the negative side. So this is currently the all-time low. So historically, we are not having here any interesting supports that we can use to open here a long position. So for me, if I will be ever opening here a long position, I am looking for an increased bullish volume. So first of all, I want to see pump back up and breakout and a support confirmation of this current bearish order block area. Because, for example, opening a long position right now is simply trying to catch a falling knife. So in my opinion, this is simply not a good idea. Of course, if you are like gonna catch the bottom, it will be absolutely insane pump. But for me, the probability that you will be actually able to do it is really slow, is really low. So as I said, currently I'm waiting here for a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block area. Of course, this doesn't have to be the final area, because we can create, let's say, new bearish order block when we will be going down, but for now this is the main setup. If we eventually will be able to do it, I want to place my stop loss just under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown after a support confirmation with a resistance confirmation, there is pretty high probability we are going down again, so there is no point of holding this losing position longer than it's necessary. Last take profit targets I will be placing above this bearish order block, which is next area where I'm expecting we are gonna collect liquidity, which will give me a potential profit around 66% of a net market and risk reward ratio around 3.64. Maybe you are asking why I am not placing the last take profit targets slightly higher, for example, above this bearish order block. And the idea behind this is pretty simple. You can see that like during this last dump, we are simply going down, and every time there is some huge pump. So if I'm gonna catch off, or if I am gonna be able to catch the next pump, I am simply not expecting we are gonna take liquidity also above this bearish order block. I am simply expecting here a liquidity grab above this previous important highs. So to summarize this setup on a daily time frame, as I said, I'm waiting here for a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block. You need to understand that a lot of altcoins, because the Bitcoin is almost on the new all-time high, a lot of altcoins are currently pumping heavily. So the fact that Supra is, let's say, going still on the lower lows is really bad for this coin. If you are holding this coin in your long-term portfolio, actually I wouldn't sell it, because like it's probably not like gonna get that much lower, and you are still probably down more than 50, 60, 70% of the whole portfolio, because for example this last dump had around 70%, which is a kinda crazy. So for me, as I said, the main thing that I want to wait for is an increased bullish volume. Without that, I don't want to open here any long-term long position. But on the other hand, if, for example, we will be able to, let's say, catch really small move, for example, from this high to this previous high, it will be a pump around like 30% of a net market. So right now, I will show you the exact setups that I'm currently watching on a lower time frame. You can see on the 4-hour chart, we are having here multiple bearish order block areas. So if eventually there will be breakout and then support confirmation of any important bearish order block, for example, of this first one, which is between level 0.00275 and 0.002689, it can be really great long entry or like great long scalp trade. Because stop loss you can simply place under this bearish order block, last take profit target above this next bearish order block, which will give you risk reward ratio itself 4.48. And if you will, for example, get the last take profit target or like the only take profit target, and then there will be a breakout with a support confirmation, you can simply take long position here, stop loss put there, last take profit target above next important bearish order block, and you can be simply catching moves like this. If you, for example, want to help with trading, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. It's completely free. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. I am here for you guys. If you have any question, for example, about this coin or about anything else, which is of course associated with trading or a crypto, definitely hit me up with a DM. So this is the main strategy that I'm currently having on a lower time frame. So let's now get back to answer the most important question, which is Supra actually dead? Well, for me, probably no. And if the next bull market will start, I think we will probably see another pump. Of course, if you want to hold this coin long term, you need to do fundamental, not technical analysis, because with technical analysis, we are simply speculating to catch some, let's say, increased bullish volume, to take some important liquidity areas, which is not something that you want to be learning. If you simply want to hold this coin long term, you just need to study this coin fundamentally. For me, buying this coin on the current price is simply, as I said, not a great idea. I am not holding this coin in my long-term portfolio, but do I think we will see another, for example, pump like this, which had around 100% of a net market? Yes, we probably will, because I simply think there will be really huge short squeeze. I actually wouldn't be surprised if in the upcoming months we will see a pump, for example, around 200 or like 300% of a net market. But do I think we will ever get close to the current all-time high? Well, probably no, to be honest. So definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin, and for example, what is the exact price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit. But hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what is the next video that I should do, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.